Sambula, my name is Teresi Bonindilo and welcome to Fiji Lovo 101. Lovo is the Fijian word for underground oven. So for cooking food in Lovo in the past and also presently in Fiji and around the world is very important to Fijians because it's part of our culinary arts. What happens is the role of the men is to make sure that there's a pit prepared, and inside the pit they must make sure that they have lots of hot stones or large black basalt volcanic stones. Of course, to make the stone hot you need firewood. So very important to get a lot of firewood to have enough fire to heat the stones. Some of the ingredients that you see here, the first important one, which all of us know very well, is the niu. We use the coconut grater or the vetaki that is used for grating the flesh of the coconut so that we can be able to get the cream of the coconut to cook the palusami, which is a very important menu for Fijians, for our Lovo, which is made out of this. The roro. Roro is the leaf of the ndalo plant. Now, there are other things you also need. Varasa, the onions, other spices, which is the ginger, as well as the garlic or ngaliki. You need meat. In the past, we have vuaka or pork or ika, fish. And you also need the root crops. So kakanandina, this is what we call the true food. It's the definition of it. This is taro or ndalo. So we have to peel the outside of the ndalo, and then when you have the flesh there, that is put directly onto the Lovo pit. So all the chicken, all the puaka, all the yummy palusami and the taro, they will all go onto that hot stone, and then it's covered by the banana leaves, and then it's covered by other sacks of potatoes, I think that the old kind of string bags, and then the tarpaulin on top. The main thing with the Lovo is to keep the steam inside the Lovo because it is steam cooking, and the more steam you keep in there, the yummy and the shorter as well the time it will take to have the Lovo.